Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by constraining what Google returns, so type directly into the search box. Use quotes around exact phrases to force exact matches, and add minus signs to exclude unwanted terms. Next, restrict results to a domain with site, example, com when you need content from one source. Once done, combine operators, quotes minus site, to narrow results quickly. This is faster than changing settings. It focuses the index-level search and reduces noise before you move on to filtering by time or file type. You now refine results using Google's filter tools to control freshness and format. Click Tools and choose a time range when recency matters. If you need reports or slides, add file type, PDF or file type, PPT to the query so only those formats appear. For strict operator behavior, enable verbatim through search settings or the three-dot menu, since Google may otherwise rephrase your query. Make sure to combine these with your initial operators. This reduces irrelevant hits and surfaces exact, timely documents. You finish by combining all techniques into a repeatable query: operators, file type, site, and time range, then bookmark or create an alert for ongoing monitoring. If you prefer a visual interface, open Advanced Search to set these fields without remembering syntax. Make sure to test variations, swap quotes, broaden time ranges, because different terms change rankings. Troubleshooting tip: if expected pages don't show, clear browser cache, sign out of personalization, or enable verbatim so Google stops expanding your terms and shows exact match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.